I'm here at Boot 2023 on the Allen stand with Ben Harden, and once again, Allen have been innovating with their products and have some new products to show us. Ben, can we start off with your new 40mm range?
Yeah, hi Marcus, it's nice to see you here. So like I say, we're launching a brand new 40mm range of blocks. It's a complete redesign of our existing range essentially. It's a range that's been around for a while and it's about time it was updated. So it's still got the same bearing technology, which is our dynamic bearings, which is stainless steel balls running on a stainless steel rail, which is different to others that are available on the market. But essentially what we've done is we've just updated the package. So the cheeks of the block now have a new design. It's stronger, made from better materials. And essentially what it allows us to do is offer a greater range of variations of the block, which is great for the keelboat market. So we can offer Beckett and fiddle options, making a much wider range of applications available for the 40mm block, which is sort of a switch over between the dinghy market and the keelboat market. So it's going to be really cool to see how this range sort of progresses over the next year, and we're really expecting big things to come with a lot of the keelboat market on these guys.
So an evolution of the product, but allowing it to be used in far more applications.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, so like I say, it's still got the same sort of internals, minimises friction as much as it possibly can with the stainless steel balls and the stainless steel rail, but just the new outer design allows us to get a wider variety of choices out of the block.
And let's move on then to the deck organisers, and here again, new range, and you've got ball bearings in these now.
Again, yeah, so these are a new range of deck organisers that we've launched, available in 20, 30 and 40mm. I've got the 20 and the 40 here. And you can buy these with both dynamic bearings, so again, similar to what I was talking about, stainless steel balls running on a stainless steel axle, and also plain bearing as well. So depending on your application, whether you've got a high static load, you'd probably want to go for a plain bearing version, or if it's something that's going to be constantly adjusted, which needs to run quickly and doesn't have the high static lines, then a dynamic version is better for that. So these are really great. It's two plates of aluminium that are machined out, and then you've got your standard 40mm or 20mm or 30mm sheaves in each of them. And as these progress, they'll be available in different sheave numbers. So at the moment, I think we've got 3 and 4 available number of sheaves, and then we'll be able to have more and more as we go.
So again, an evolving product line. And then I love the name of these, the high rollers.
Yeah, so designed for your high stakes sailing, your performance end of the market. And this is kind of a progression from where we started with the XHL range. So the XHL range was designed for your really high loads on the small lines. And now what we're doing with this is we're going into the high loads on the bigger lines. So available in 40 and 60mm. And great for your big sports boats such as Cape 31s, your J70s, Dragons, Etchells, those kind of guys. So we've been developing these with some of the leading sailors, and one of these has been around the world on a IMOCA main sheet system, so it's been thoroughly tested, and it's our first sort of step into the roller bearing market, I suppose you could say, but again, it's a high-performance product designed for those high-end sailing boats. So
I always love how Allen are developing the products in conjunction with the sailors and producing the blocks that people want out on the water, and this looks exactly that.
Well, that's it. Without the feedback from the top guys, it's hard to develop the best products. So we need to make sure we're always constantly working on the feedback from the top guys.
I remember a few years back when XHL blocks came out, and at the time, they looked the business, they have the huge loads on them, and everybody then just wanted it. It was the must-have block on your boat. And you've gone a step further now with the TiiTAN. Exactly the same load capabilities, but it's lighter.
Yeah, that's it. So you've got the XHL here, which we developed for the MOF fleet, essentially, because they just kept blowing everything up. The loads that those guys are running on those small boats is just crazy now. But like you say, we just continue to develop it. So we've gone from basically having the XHL range and taking it a bit further with the TiiTAN block. Now, similar format, same size, both 30mm, except from the TiiTAN it is now 30% lighter in the same format. So it's got a slightly different body shape, which is just feedback from sailors. They decided we wanted to lose the ears on the top of the XHL so you can tie through with another piece of kite line essentially. And then we've gone for a titanium sheave and ceramic ball bearings, and that gives us the weight reduction. Same sort of loading capabilities, but like we say, 30% weight reduction, and with the ceramic ball bearings as well, it just removes even more friction from the system.
It is extraordinary thinking you've got a block that size and the load capabilities of it, and now having it lighter than the XHL as well with the TiiTAN. Amazing blocks. Well, Ben,
it's available for a laser as well with a built-in Vanke, which is really cool. So those guys, no more tying blocks to shackles and what have you. They can just hoop it straight into their boom.
It is clearly the new must-have on your high-performance boats. Well, Ben, it's fantastic to see Alan once again innovating in the block market so much and creating such incredibly high precision products.
Cheers, Mark. It's great to see you. Thank you.